Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room as you can see. It's September 22nd, 7:05 p.m. here in California. Meow. You see my little familiar here, Anthracite. Hi, Anthracite. You know your name. He's the sweetest name. Anyway, the rain we had here in NorCal uh, yesterday and the day before really helped. Really helped the fires in Northern California, knocking them down a bit. Not out, just knocked down a little bit. You know. Anyway, that's looking up. Meow. I I'm gonna go out in the shop tomorrow and record something about small machines. And it's gonna have a rough cut hashtag on it. And by the due date, I will have an actual cutting tool video that I think will be helpful for some people. Say hi, Anthracite. Hi. Say hi to the YouTube family out there. Meow. No meow. Of course, when you know you got the camera on you, you won't do any cute tricks. I mean, hell. It's a good thing Christy saw you chasing a mouse a month and a half ago in the kitchen. So we know you got the idea. And you're so sweet. I found out that he liked me. I was here in the computer room. I was processing video I'd recorded out in the shop for uploading. I feel something at my foot, and I look down. He's using my toes as a pillow. He likes to sleep between my ankles when I'm asleep. I often wake up and he's right there looking at me like, yeah. We often find him curled up on this chair or on, well, you can't see it, but I got my mouse tower here. It's got 2 track balls and padding so I can, just for these computers back here. The exits are here and here and here, and I'm going straight down through the floor. You all can die. I got a parachute and everything. I don't know. What you looking at? Huh? Anyway, he loves, he likes that windowsill. Anthracite, come here, sweetheart. I've told you, don't get up there. Don't get up there. Yeah, boring to you, huh? Well, I mean, I imagine that's enough of your time wasted. Good night from California.